Hey guys, in this tutorial video we're going to teach you how you can change the interface language for your account in Google Drive. It is mind-blowingly simple guys, so let me show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to your Google Drive account, log into your account, and what you want to do is click on that gear icon at the top menu here to access your account settings and select settings from that drop-down menu. In the next step, scroll down till you get to that option here, language. Click on change language settings. After that you will be redirected to a new tab. So here you will see your preferred language and also other languages if you added any. So what you want to do guys is change your preferred language by clicking on that pencil icon here to the right. As you can see, it is English for me currently. So click on that pencil icon and simply browse through that list to select your language. After that, simply confirm by clicking on save here, and that is going to change your Google Drive interface to the selected language. And that's all to it guys. As you can see, it is mind-blowingly simple. Hopefully this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.